Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Robinhood outside of the US in 2023. Robinhood is a popular online brokerage platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, exchange traded funds and options, and cryptocurrencies. It aims to make investing accessible to everyone by offering commission-free trades and a user-friendly interface. And of course, Robinhood gained popularity for its mobile app, which offers a simple, intuitive trading experience. If you want to know the steps of how to use it outside of the US, make sure to stick by and follow the steps of this tutorial, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you have or you prefer in your PC. So the method that we're going to use in this video is a VPN. So the most common and effective way to access anything outside the US is using a VPN or virtual private network. Of course, a VPN allows you to mask your IP address and appear as you are browsing from a different location. Choose a VPN or a reputable VPN service that offers servers in the United States. And of course, once you choose a VPN service, IP address masked, and your IP address masked, of course, you will have the option to visit whatever thingy that you would like to use outside of US. So you should go and check for the all VPN options that are available. Of course, there is a lot of options. Some of them are popular, some of them are paid, some of them are free. So you can go and choose whatever suits you as an example. Of course, there's even some extensions as an example. So here, you can even go to this extensions right here and click on manage extensions. As you can see, I have a VPN here. But for you, if it's your first time, you can simply go here and type extensions and click on it. And as you can see, make sure to click on this Chrome Web Store. Once you do so, of course, you'll have to go and search for store and go and type free VPN as an example and hit the enter button. As you can see, you will have here a lot of options, but the popular option is this free VPN ZenMates, the best VPN for Chrome. If you click on it, as you can see, you'll find here that as you can see, you can read here the overview for yourself. If I read this, I'll take like a lot of time to read it. So, of course, the features is available for Android if you want to. You can get it from here. Just click on Get This and you'll be able to get it for your Android. And you can use it as extension from your PC if you want to. Of course, there are even the privacy practices. Make sure to go and read the privacy policy for yourself so you'll not have any problem in the future with them and you'll be aware of everything. And of course, you find here the reviews of people, so you can go and check it. And of course, you find here the support. If you have any issues, you can visit the publisher support site or any related things that is like this. As you can see, there is this Touch VPN, which is, as you can see, block any websites and stay secure. And Touch VPN, one click connect to our VPN or fast VPN limited bandwidth and completely free. You can even use this as an example, so you can choose whatever suits you. So I'm just going to download both, and for me, this is already downloaded. And for this, let's just go and try it out also. So we just go here and send it, and here we are. So now we can simply go and start. So go to this VPN as example and switch the location to best choice, or for us, we would like to the United States. So click on it, and now you can simply click on connect. Once you click on connect, this will connect you to the United States directly. And as you can see, the connection now is established. Now we'll have to go and access the Robinhood website. So simply, I'm just going to enter this website or this URL section. And simply, I'm just going to type robinhood.com and hit the enter button. That should take me directly to the home screen or main screen of Robinhood website directly. Of course, if you have any issues, let me just type like a normal Robinhood here. And as you can see, or simply you can type Robinhood. I may just write something wrong. So ROBINHOOD.com. And of course, no need even to write this. So once you write this, you will be here directly. And of course, if you want to know more about this website, you can scroll down and know everything about it if you don't know nothing about Robinhood. Of course, let me just go and accept the cookies. And here, if you have an account, you'll be able to log in into your account if you click here. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up into your account. And of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on create your account and follow the prompts to create your account. And you will see that you'll be able to use the Robinhood websites without any problems, even if you are outside of the US. But make sure to ensure a smooth using experience by optimizing your VPN connection. You can choose a server with low latency and stable connection. And if you experience any problems or slowness, you can try switching to a different server within the United States. Of course, a free option may not have the option to do that for you, but for if you're using like another VPN, a paid one, a lot of paid VPN that will let you even choose the server that you want or change the server in the same country. So for this one free, it has just one, but for other things, you may have the option to change your server. So make sure to do this. And remember to keep your VPN active through your using of Robinhood website. So if you're disconnected from the VPN, Robinhood may detect your actual location and restrict the access to its content. So keep the VPN running in the background to maintain a secure and uninterrupted connection. And of course, it's important to stay up to date with any changes with the Robinhood policies or geo restrictions. A website like Robinhood may periodically update their security measures to prevent VPN usage, example. So keep an eye on VPN provider updates and online forums to ensure continued access to Robinhood websites from outside the US. So of course you'll be able to use all the options. As you can see, you'll be able like to start earning with the Robinhood. You'll be able to do a lot of other stuff. As you can see, you'll be able to do from here. Earn income, stocks your own. The only era with a match, as an example, and own control your crypto swap with no network fees, and give the gifts of crypto, and choose your free stock, and that's it. So of course you can even go and use Robinhood if you're on your phone if you want to. But just keep in mind to use a VPN on your phone also. Because as I said before, if they check or if they suspected that you are using a VPN, you will be restricted and you will not be able to use your Robinhood account anymore. So just keep that in mind while you are using the VPN. Because the Robinhood is just used inside the US, and they have, I guess, rule about using it just inside the US. And of course, you can be able to invest here and build your portfolio starting with just $1 if you're using it, of course, with the VPN. And you also will not have any problem. Just make sure you're not turning off the VPN while you are using the Robinhood on your PC or even on your phone. So just keep that in mind. And of course, if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. You've learned how to use the Robinhood outside the US or wherever you are from the world. So remember, choose a reliable VPN service and stay updated with any changes in the Robinhood policies. Now, make sure to have fun while using the Robinhood browser or website or even application in your phone. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below in this channel. And if you subscribe, you will have or you will receive notifications of videos that could be helpful like this one. Of course, you can even go and leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel, as I said before, so more helpful tutorials like this or contents like this. So thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.